Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your card in the Stocard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the cards button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on a card that you added, and then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the edit card button. And as you can see, you can set the number printed on your card, and you can optionally provide some description. And once you're ready, just click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.